Hello, my name is Adolfo Neto, and today I'm going to talk about the Lean FRO Year 3 Roadmap. In case you don't know, Lean is a Lean FRO is a focused research organization, and it's beginning its third year. Lean is a theory improver and programming language that enables correct, maintainable, and formally verified code. This is very important nowadays. So I didn't read this yet, so let me read it now. The Lean FRO Year 3 Roadmap. Our roadmap for the third year of Lean FRO operations from August 2025, today is August 5, 2025, July 2026. The Lean Focused Research Organization, FRO, envisions a future where Lean, a proof assistant and open source programming language, becomes a pivotal tool in driving innovation and progress across diverse fields. Our vision extends to formal mathematics, software, and hardware verification, software development, AI research for mathematics and code synthesis, and new math and computer science education methodologies. We are dedicated to fostering a dynamic, decentralized ecosystem that thrives on diversity and collaboration. We support Lean's growth by engaging with a global community, encouraging open source contributions, and forging educational partnerships, ensuring our efforts resonate widely. We aim to make Lean an indispensable resource for researchers, developers, educators, and students. We are now in our third year as a FRO, starting in August of 2025. Mission for Year 3. Year 3 completes foundational work began in years 1-2 with special emphasis on proof automation and aggressive compiler performance work. Key objectives: finalize STD, the standard library, support mathlib maintainers in reducing technical debt. 2. Ship next generation proof automation, grind, scalable simp, counterexample generation, and rich diagnostics. 3. Deliver major compiler performance gains, new backend, significantly smaller binaries. 4. Land a new do notation and related language front-end features for verification, condition generation, and async await. 5. Provide reliable benchmarking, testing, and profiling infrastructure for Lean and mathlib. 6. Close the usability gap. Formatter, clearer error messages, IDE polish. So this is working on developer experience. They are working on developer experience here, software developer experience. 7. Demonstrate Lean's prowess in multiple domains. So kind of scientific dissemination. Kind of. Year 3 deliverables. Oh, this is very long. I'm not going to read everything, just the main points. 1, standard library. It's the library that underpins all Lean programs and libraries. So by July 2026, STD will be a stable foundation for future development. 2, benchmark and test suite. A unified system for benchmarking and regression testing. So they don't give a timeline here, but probably by July 2026. 3, language front-end and developer experience, what I mentioned before. This workstream focuses on improving the core user-facing language features, including the new do notation, module system enhancements, and tools that make development smoother, such as formatting, caching, and clearer error feedback. A modernized do notation, a new do notation. 4, proof automation. This line of work aims to make Lean's automated reasoning tools significantly more powerful, efficient, and broadly applicable, especially in high-performance verification and formal method settings. Grind and simp, improved diagnostics. We will deliver updates to Grind and simp with extensive performance improvements and new reasoning features. 5, language backend. We are redesigning the backend infrastructure, especially the code generator, to produce smaller, faster binaries and to scale with large inductive types and complex recursive definitions. Efforts are focused on improving the scalability of constructions like no confusion. Deliverables. And 6, IDE and tooling. Again, this is part of developer experience. We are refining the Lean developer experience through sustained improvements to IDE tooling, build systems, and interoperability layers such as the FFI. I believe this is Foreign Function Interface. Our focus is on polishing the VS Code extension, filling remaining gaps in the LSP implementation, and stabilizing Lake. Deliverables: a fully integrated code formatter will be available within the VS Code extension. And case study 7. These case studies will demonstrate Lean's maturity and utility by applying it in real-world contexts, particularly in software and hardware verification. We plan to develop multiple high-impact end-to-end case studies that showcase Lean's strengths. Each will focus on a concrete problem and highlight both challenges and solutions. Each case study will be published as a public repository, accompanied by detailed write-ups explaining the approach, methodology, and insights gained. Together, they will serve as concrete evidence of Lean's readiness for serious applied work. 8, literate programming and next-generation UX. This multi-year initiative seeks to make Lean more approachable and usable by investing in mixed formal-informal document of authoring tooling and creating a rich and web-first user experience. We will continue and extend development of tools like Verso, prototype a new DSL for scientific communication, improve online interface, and lay the foundation for Lean-based educational experience. This is very interesting. And I'm not sure if you know, but when you click here on Learn, you are taken to the books. And this book is, the source code is in the Verso here. Bump Verso dependency. So it uses Verso to show the book here. Let me go back. Verso will be enhanced to support both PDF extraction. One thing people complain at is that in the previous version of that book, you could you could download the PDF of the book. Now you can't. And interactive website generation. A new DSL, latex inspired and tailored for Lean, will be prototyped to support scientific writing. Improvements will be made to the usability and administration of the live Lean playground software. We will also release an MVP for the Lean online platform. This is new, as a web-only UI solution with secure sandboxing, author a user guide for literate Lean authoring, and release an initial version of a revamped basic framework for educational Lean games. So, if you want to learn what's new in the Lean community, you can go to the Zulip server, Zulip chat, and I'm not sure if it's here. Oh, it's here. I follow Lean on Blue Sky. Here is their post. We are excited to share the Lean FRO Year 3 roadmap today. That's it. Thank you very much. See you later. Bye-bye.